Welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video, everyone. My name is Mike. If you like mac and cheese, I'm going to show you a nice, easy recipe today with an El Yucateco twist, and it's coming up right now. Hey everybody, my name is Mike. Welcome back to another video. We really appreciate all your support. And if you're not following us here yet, you're gonna miss out on some great content. So get down there and hit that follow button so you can stay up to date. Today we're gonna be doing a delicious homemade mac and cheese recipe, and I'm gonna show you from scratch how to put this together. And we're gonna be kicking this recipe up, as always, with some El Yucateco flavors. So to start off for this recipe, you're gonna wanna use a nice, large, non-stick pot. And we're gonna start with about half a stick of butter. Go ahead and begin melting that down at low to medium heat. While we're starting this process for the cheese, we're gonna go ahead and cook our pasta on the stove according to the instructions on the box. This process only takes about 10 to 15 minutes, so your pasta will be done almost at the perfect time. Once your butter is melted, go ahead and start adding flour little by little, and be sure to stir this constantly. We don't want this to burn. Go ahead and add a little bit of salt and a little bit of milk. Now continue heating this on low to medium, stirring constantly. You just want to allow this time to thicken up and achieve a nice smooth consistency with no lumps. If it's a little too thick, add a little bit of milk. If it's a little too thin, add a little bit of flour and continue the process. Within just a few minutes, you'll be ready to start adding cheese. And we want to add our cheese in small handfuls. Now stir that in good. And as that melts, go ahead and add more cheese. Now, depending on your preferred consistency, you may want to add a little bit of milk throughout this process as you're adding the cheese. Once you have all your cheese added and everything is smooth, it is time to kick it up with some El Yucateco Red. Now go ahead and give that a good stir. Now, once your pasta is fully cooked and strained, go ahead and put the pasta in with the cheese and give that a good mix. Once that's fully combined, we'll be transferring that into a dish, and we'll be garnishing this with some pre-cooked chopped bacon. Now at this point, you can bake this in your oven if you'd like to get a little bit of crust on top, or you can put it on your smoker for about an hour, but I like to serve it up just like this. Once again, my favorite part of the video. Cheers, everyone. Now for me, and I think for most people, mac and cheese brings back some of those childhood memories. It's sort of a nostalgic recipe, but if you've never done it homemade, you really need to do it. And the El Yucateco shines in this recipe, just kicks up that flavor to a whole nother level. So we've got another winning recipe here. This turned out beautiful and delicious, and I hope you're gonna give it a try at home. Don't forget till next time to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. And I'll see you on the next video.